thought ChatGPT was smart before, wait until you see it with real-time search capabilities. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how the search function in ChatGPT works, and why it's a game changer for anyone looking to boost team efficiency or streamline their workflow, and how you can get instant and up-to-date information with this feature. Whether it's the latest news, market trends, live sports scores, or the best places to eat nearby, I will walk you through live demos and practical examples that show exactly how to put this new power to work for you. Alright, let's jump into how to access the search function in ChatGPT so you can start leveraging it right away. The search feature is super easy to use, no complicated setup required. In ChatGPT's interface, look for this web search icon. It's a small global symbol, which is located within the text input area where you can type your prompts. And click the icon to initiate a web search and allow ChatGPT to retrieve the up-to-date information from the internet. Alternatively, ChatGPT may automatically perform a web search based on your query if it determines that current information is needed. For most users, this feature is either turned on by default or can be activated with a quick click in the settings. Once it's enabled, ChatGPT is ready to pull in live data directly from the web. So, what can you actually do with it? Imagine asking questions that rely on current information, like what are the latest AI trends? Or show me today's stock price for Google. In today's demo, I will be showing you exactly how to ask these kinds of questions and what sorts of responses you can expect from it. We will cover live data lookups, local recommendations, and even specialized topics that could help you improve decision making and boost productivity in real time. Now, let's dive into some live demos to really show off the power of ChatGPT's search function. I will walk you through 4 key use cases where this feature shines, so you can see exactly how it retrieves real-time information that can make a big impact on your workflow. Let's start with a classic example. Stay updated with current events. Imagine you are a tech professional or a founder who needs to stay on top of industry shifts. Maybe there's news on AI policy changes, and you want to know what's happening right now. So I would simply ask ChatGPT, show me the latest news on AI policy changes. Then ChatGPT will instantly go out to the web, pull in fresh updates, and summarize them for you. This is a game changer if you are in a fast-paced field or need reliable and current information without having to sift through multiple news sources. And for people in tech, finance, or other industries where changes can directly impact strategy and decisions, this tool keeps you ahead of the curve, effortlessly informed and ready to act. Next up, let's explore how ChatGPT handles local information. Let's say you are traveling, or maybe you are in a new city and want to find something quickly, like a restaurant or the local weather. You could ask ChatGPT, find the highly rated restaurants in San Francisco, and just in seconds, it provides you with a list of highly rated restaurants in SF. Just like how you search on Google Maps, and you can interact with it to check more details without leaving ChatGPT. With this search function, ChatGPT can give you location-specific insights. It will check the latest ratings or weather forecasts and deliver the information directly to you inside ChatGPT, which is very impressive and convenient. This is incredibly useful for travelers or people on the go, as it's like having a personal guide wherever you are. So next time, when you land in a new city for a conference or something, instead of spending time scrolling through Yelp or weather apps, you can get all the relevant information you need with one quick questions. It's a huge time saver, and for people constantly moving between locations, it adds a whole layer of convenience. For our third demo, let's look at specialized and data-driven queries. For example, if you are an AI researcher, an academic, or a content creator, and you need niche information like latest statistics on global AI adoption rates, this type of data is essential for creating accurate, timely reports or presentations. With the search feature, ChatGPT can pull relevant statistics from credible sources, which is especially useful when you need data that may not be commonly known, or when staying accurate is very crucial. We can just ask ChatGPT, find the latest statistics on global AI adoption rates, and you will have data and insights ready for your next presentation or reports in seconds. It also gives you all the sources to help you verify the answers and data. You can just click on those tiny buttons to check where the data and insights came from. So it's very effective and intuitive. This function is invaluable for professionals who rely on accurate and up-to-date figures in their field. For researchers and content creators, this can save hours they might otherwise spend searching for and verifying the data. Finally, let's talk about how ChatGPT handles dynamic and time-sensitive information. Let's say you are an investor and you need to have the latest stock price for Google, and you are a sports fan wondering about the score of today's game. Instead of switching between different apps or websites, you can simply ask ChatGPT, get me today's stock price for Google. And then it will provide you with the real-time price chart, which you can interact with as well. And you can check the sources. This search function will quickly retrieve the latest data to give you real-time updates at your fingertips. So this kind of rapid and accurate access to fluctuating information is perfect for people in finance or sports enthusiasts who need current information on the go. And for investors, it's like having a financial assistant. And for sports fans, it's a great way to stay engaged with the live events without the hassle of multiple steps. Each of these demos showcases how the search function can save time and make accessing information a seamless part of your workflow, no matter what you need. Now that you've seen how the search function works, let's move on to discuss more about the benefits and how different professionals can leverage these capabilities. First, for AI experts and researchers, this feature is a game changer. Imagine you are in the middle of a presentation or live demo and need to pull the latest data or insights. With the search feature inside ChatGPT, you can get current statistics, recent developments, or industry news instantly, which makes it easy to keep your content accurate and engaging. It's also fantastic for staying on top of the fastly evolving trends in AI to help you stay informed and relevant. And for content creators, especially those on YouTube or social media, having access to up-to-date information means you can always create relevant information and content. Whether you are covering news in your niche, sharing stats in real time, or reacting to the latest trends, this search function helps you keep your content fresh. So it's a huge plus for creators who need to stay ahead of the curve and consistently offer their audience something timely. So whether you are a pro or a casual user, this search function brings convenience, accuracy, and relevance right to your fingertips. As powerful as ChatGPT's search function is, it's important to understand its limitations and how to use it responsibly. First, let's talk about data accuracy. Since the search function pulls information from the web, the results depend on the quality and the reliability of the sources available. While ChatGPT aims to provide accurate answers, but not all online information is perfect and accurate. So it's best to use these results as a guide rather than a final authority, especially for critical decisions or high-stakes data. Next, privacy considerations are key. While you use search feature, you don't need to worry about your queries being saved or tracked, because ChatGPT retrieves the data you ask for, but doesn't store any personal information. So you can feel confident using it without worrying about long-term data storage or privacy risks. Finally, there are some limitations in terms of what information is accessible. Certain details might not be available due to restrictions on specific websites or content types. This means that while search function covers a broad range of topics, it may not retrieve specialized or restricted data every time. So, being aware of these limitations will help you set realistic expectations and ensure you are using this feature effectively and responsibly. Alright, I hope this deep dive into ChatGPT's search function gave you a clear sense of how it can boost your efficiency and keep you up to date. Whether you're a researcher, content creator, or just someone who loves quick answers, this feature opens up a world of possibilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss out on more tips and tools to make the most of AI. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.